Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris and today I'm at a place called Graffham Water, which as you can see is basically a load of water in a place called Graffham. I've brought my e-bike with me and I've brought my Neo, my drone, and the plan is just to explore and ride around and see what I can find. It's a huge expanse here, so I'll just see if I can get some cool drone flying in and just generally have a bit of a mosey about. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Oh god, so heavy. Oh, the only thing about an e-bike is it weighs an absolute ton. That was terrifying. See, now this is what I love about my e-bike. I'm going up a bit of a hill at the moment and there's no effort at all. I'm just cruising up, not doing any exercise whatsoever. It's fantastic. In all seriousness, if you haven't got an e-bike and you're considering getting one, you should definitely get one. I absolutely love mine. It's kind of rekindled my love for riding a bike. I've never really enjoyed cycling as a sort of method of exercise, and being able to just cycle effortlessly wherever you want to go on an e-bike is just amazing. You just get such a sense of freedom on it. This looks like this could be a really lovely spot just to do a bit of flying. Look at this. How beautiful is this place? As you'll know if you watch any of my... oh Jesus Christ. As you'll know if you watch any of my videos, I'm a bit of a recluse. But out here, I don't really have that problem out here. Look at this. Okay, some fun facts about Graffham Water while I get my drone out. And I don't know if these are right. I think they are. Oh my god, there's so many midges. Look at these. Oh my lord. I was going to sit here and fly, but can you see those on? I don't know if you can see those on the camera, but there are a billion horrendous looking midges. It's making me itch already. Oh, yeah, okay, I don't care. I'm gonna try and fly here. Fun fact about Graffham, yeah. I can't remember any of them now. It's the third biggest body of water in England by circumference. Maybe like the 8th biggest by depth or by volume of water or something like that. It's not actually that impressive. There's a 400-year-old woodland here though somewhere. I don't think this is it because I think this looks like quite a young woodland. But there is a 400-year-old woodland that I might try and find in a bit. Right, okay, anyway, let's get the drone out. I really want to get the drone over this water a bit. That would be fun. I forgot to say, oh jeez, if you're enjoying this video, then please do drop a like. And also consider subscribing because I've got loads more of this kind of stuff coming and I would love you to watch that stuff with me. I'm going to fall off in a minute. Alright, back to the video, sorry. Yeah, okay, so I forgot to say, this is a brand new Neo. The last one, as you remember from the picture quality from my last... oh, I was in the midges. My picture quality from the last video was horrendous. I had loads of pixelation and fuzziness on the picture, really grainy in places. Sent it back to DJI. They literally sent me a replacement within like 2 days. We'll see how this one looks. Hopefully the picture quality will be a lot better because it was horrendous on the last one. Today we are flying with the RC-N3 again. Really like this control. I flew with it last time and I love FPV. Definitely going to be doing loads more of that, don't worry. But I think for stuff like this, where it's coming out... sorry, I don't even know if you can see me. I'm probably too high. I'm just waffling and you can't even see me. Stuff like this, where it's, you know, coming out and exploring a bit, you want something quite lightweight, and the N3 is brilliant for that, really. Let's take off. We're doing a knee takeoff here. Oh man, the midges are not liking that. Oh my god, I think I just minced about 500 midges. Oh god. I just killed so many midges. Wow, look at that. Someone told me that there's a way to set like a cruise control on your Neo using the RC-N3, but I have no idea how, so I'm just going to keep holding it. Keep holding the joystick, it's not too much effort. Currently flying in sports mode, really slow actually, only doing like 3.9 meters a second. Should be faster than that, shouldn't it, in sports mode? Oh man, sorry, I keep not talking just because It's so peaceful here. Maybe you prefer it if I'm not talking. Maybe I shouldn't talk as much as I do. He says talking. A big old lake, that. Look at it. Or a reservoir. Isn't that absolutely stunning? That blows my mind. This drone always blows my mind. Just can't believe you can do this with a little drone that isn't really very expensive. Love the windmills there in the distance. How do you feel about windmills? Windmill talk. Let's talk about windmills. Do you like them? Do you think they're ugly? I actually think they're quite cool. I quite like them on the landscape. I think they kind of add a modern, yet, I don't know, somehow, I don't know, just like a modern kind of cool looking view. I quite like them. Something I might try now actually is, I want to see whether or not I can turn off. How would I turn off horizon balancing? In fact, you know what? I'm going to bring the Neo back to me. God, I slouched, don't I? Look at that. Slouchy. Oh man. Look at, can you see all the midges? There's like midge pieces all over it. I can't figure out a way to turn off horizon leveling. I don't think you can. I just looked online and people were saying you can't on the Neo. Let me know, as always, if I'm wrong. It's beautiful here. I think I'm going to continue the ride. I'm going to find another spot and we'll do some more exploring. Let's go. Oh, Snickers. Sandwich in here as well somewhere. Oh, cheese and onion sandwich. That's a good sandwich. Let's go and see what else we can find around here. Oh, I just got to a bit where it's going to get really muddy. Oh, I don't know if I should go through, but see how we go. Holy shit! Oh my god, that is deep. Oh, my bike does not sound healthy. Okay, so it's super muddy down there. I actually did a video a little while ago. I came here before and I did like a silent vlog, which I was doing a bit of before I started doing the drone stuff. And in that video, there's just footage of me like trying to unclog my bike to get it moving. It was just a real nightmare. So I don't want to go down there in the crazy mud again. I've had an idea though. I think there is a decent cycle path around here somewhere, but I've kind of lost track of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send the Neo out, get it quite high, and just have a look around, a scout around, and see where that path is. Might be a terrible idea because I've got to get somehow up without hitting these trees. I don't think I can climb those guys. I mean, I'll try, but I don't think I can. I have to try and not hit them with that drone. Whoa, no. Oh my god. Oh, okay, right. Hang on. That was the worst idea ever. Let's find somewhere a bit more open to launch. That was ridiculous. Okay, let's just cycle a bit further up and see if we can find somewhere to take off that's a bit clearer. This is not where I want to be. I think let's maybe get the drone up here. This isn't the cycle path that I was looking for. This is actually just a road. So I need to find out how I can get back onto the cycle path from here. Let's get the drone up. Whoa. Oh my god, I so nearly flew straight into a tree. Another tree right above me that I didn't see. Good lord. What is wrong with me? Okay. Let's see if we can scout out this path then, this cycle path that I'm looking for. Now the only thing that would be handy now would be to be able to tilt the gimbal down, which I don't think that you can do. Is that a path over there? That's a road over there. Okay. I'll come off it. Oh mate, don't do that. No, don't return to home just yet. I just wanted to see if I can figure this out. Okay, where is the path? Oh, hang on, is that it through there?
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Yeah, I know, mate. Okay, I think I know where the path that I need to pick up is over there. And I can go all the way round. Yeah, okay. Steady on. Whew, there we go. Alright, let's go and find that path. We're back on the path. I know where I am now. Let's head back over to a better cycle path. We'll try and find some more nice places to film. Oh my lord, it's so muddy. What's going on? Oh jeez. Well, I know I'm now on the other side of Graffham Water. That was over there is kind of where we were. Looks like there's some cool kind of forest over here, so I'm going to go and check that out. And then in a minute we'll see if we can get the drone back up. All right, let's get up in the air. Ah, lovely. Whoa, do you see those midges? Hey. Oh, scaring some birds. Sorry, birds. It looks like the footage this time is going to be, hopefully, I think, a lot clearer than it was last time. It does seem that the issue I had with the pixelation and stuff is gone, which is good. Okay, 80% battery. Flying at 4 meters a second. I'm still confused about that speed. It seems to really vary. I don't know if you guys have any ideas why that is, but sometimes I seem to fly at sort of closer to 6-7 meters a second. Sometimes it's 3 to 4. It's not windy today. Oh, losing connection a little bit there, so I'm going to fly probably up a bit. Oh god, yeah. Really looking forward to getting myself the FPV remote. I'm going to be picking it up for my birthday, which is later this month. Super excited about that. Going to get out and do some fun kind of manual, well, I'm going to try and do some fun manual mode flying. Who knows if I'll actually be able to pull it off, but it's going to be really good fun to try. I'd love to hear what you think about this video. This has been a very different video. I've been doing, you know, a bit of exploration, cycling around this place, visiting a new location that's a bit different to where I normally am. If you like this kind of thing, let me know. It would be great to get your feedback. Equally, if you don't like it, let me know. I'd really appreciate that as well. Get a little bit closer down to the water down here, I reckon. Whoa, seagull! You see that? Bit worried because my the battery on my camera that I'm using to film my control is getting pretty low. So I think I'm going to have to end this flight very shortly. And then I'm probably going to need to wrap up this video. Oh. So there we go. That's the flight done. God, I feel so relaxed. It's so nice out here. So there we go, that's that flight complete. I feel really relaxed. I've got to be honest, I feel so chilled out. It's really, really quiet here. Beautiful weather, and just really nice to just fly the drone around. There's something really mindful about it. Really, really relaxes you. Oh, it's cold. Well, I think that's going to be it. I'm nearly out of battery on this camera, annoyingly, so I'm going to have to head back to the car. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I just want to say also, I've had so much kind of great feedback and so much. I'm so thankful for the kind of the number of views that I'm getting, the subscribers that I'm getting. People seem to be enjoying the content, which is amazing. It's a really lovely feeling to know that people kind of are enjoying the stuff that I'm putting out. I really, really appreciate it. If you are still enjoying it and you haven't yet, then, you know, drop a like on this video and do subscribe, because I've got lots more of this kind of stuff to come, and I'd really love you to join me for that stuff. All right, I'm going to go and just fall into a coma now, I think, because I'm so relaxed. Oh, so chilled out. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.